Is your dream to work for a global software company from any corner of the world? Then with LSDB, you can make this dream come true. Take your first step towards a bright career with an international internship. A chance to get practical training from industry experts. Experience real-life work environment. Undertake tasks for live projects, and so much more. With LSDB's Software Development Mastery Program, SDMP, you get the unique blend of training and internship that will open doors to take your career to exponential levels. SDMP is designed to equip you with the comprehensive skills and knowledge required to excel in the dynamic field of software development. What more? After your internship, you might get a chance to work with LSDB's UK/EU clients and get contract work or full-time work. Eager to kickstart your career? Join LSDB's team by registering your interest at team@lsdb.co.uk.